Okay, these are going to be the notes for 3B, how to find the area of a sector. This is probably new to a lot of you, but it's very similar to the arc length that we just did in 3A. So let's first of all figure out what a sector is. A sector is a portion, okay, we kind of shaded this in here a little bit, a portion of the area of a circle. Okay, it's kind of outlined by two radii, and an arc. That is a sector. So it's not really a triangle. It's partial straight sides with the triangle, and then one side is this arc. Okay, so that is going to be a fractional part of the whole area. Okay, so let's just review real quick. Area of a circle is going to be pi r squared. So if we're finding the area of that sector, we're going to take that central angle again. That gives us a portion. I'm going to call that n again. So the sector formula is, again, kind of the same idea as what we did before. It's going to be a fraction, where n is the central angle, of the area of the whole circle. Okay, so you can see how similar it looks to the arc length. So we're going to find a fraction. This will tell me what part of the whole thing I'm going to use, and then take that times the whole thing. So let's go do a couple examples here. So I'm going to find the area of this shaded piece. So I use the central angle, 45, out of the total 360 all the way around, times pi times r squared. The radius of this one is 8. We're going to solve it like we did the other ones. We're going to multiply across the top. And it doesn't really matter which order you multiply. The squared is only on the 8. So 45 times pi times 8 times 8 divided by 360 should give me 25.1. This is in centimeters. So since this is area, this would be in square units, centimeters squared. My last example here, the angle of the shaded portion that I'm going to find the area of is 125. That's out of a total of 360 times pi times r squared. R is 13 inches here. I'm going to multiply these across the top, divide by 360. We get 184.4 dealing with inches squared. So square inches or inches squared. So we have two things that were pretty similar. One is the area of a sector, which is like a piece of pie or a piece of pizza. And the other one was arc length, which is finding the actual length of if I straighten this out. So like I said, it's pretty formula driven. If you can find the n, if you can find the r on a picture, you can find the area of that sector. So, okay, have a great day.